do both. Oh, look at that! Holy cow! Holy cow!
Right there! Oh, I can see that!
That is so cool.
Oh my gosh, I can see
Holy
it!
cow!
Okay, cool.
Oh my God.
That is phenomenal.
That is awesome.
Oh
Samantha, you getting pictures of it?
I'm videotaping 2 times.
Seth, look at him.
Look at that!
Awesome! I can see it!
Wow!
Oh my God! I'll be here.
Look at that! Awesome! Oh yes! So cool!
It's only 1,500 feet.
Yeah, it's a little bit lower than what I thought.
It's just one tree.
Well, I didn't get a chance to see him. I was too busy looking through the viewfinder.
I know.